Nation, my name is Austin, and you are watching the Power Stoke YouTube channel. Sunglasses are back, I got a cool hat, and we got some goodies for the truck. Video, I just kind of wanted to throw that in there, see what it looked like, how well it matched the interior, and wow, is it really impressive. It actually is a very, very close color to the stock. Granted, the stock is seen sun, super close, and I am super pumped to do this install. They're a tinted face, so that they are super, super bright, and I didn't want to be blinded while I'm driving from some LEDs. I like that they're a tinted face. And there are 7 colors, so I can pick the color I want. I think I'm going to go with an orange or a purple, because that's the color I'm towing with for the third color for this truck. But that's a whole nother story. That's going to be track bars, that kind of stuff that's going to get painted that color. That's not anytime soon. This is just for my preference right now. So, boost gauge, an exhaust temperature gauge, and a transmission temperature gauge. The most important things to monitor while you're building a performance truck. So, let's get started. Alright guys, so we're actually going to start with the exhaust. Actually going to start with the EGT gauge. Truck, get that over with. So I'll do EGT, then I'll do the transmission, and then I'll do the boost gauge. And I'm excited. I'm low on daylight, so I gotta hustle and try to get this done before it gets dark, because tomorrow morning I have to go pick up a ditch digger. EGT gauge installation is gonna be super easy. It's 1 page. I'm gonna tap into the manifold here, starting with an 1/8 inch drill bit. I'm gonna size up until I can get to my tap size. I'm gonna screw this in, get those threads put on the metal. Then I'm gonna thread in the probe, and then hook it all up underneath the engine bay, run it along the firewall, and then get it ready to be installed to the gauge. Alright, as you guys probably noticed, I'm wearing a different shirt today. It's a totally different day. Yesterday ran out of time. This has been way more of a pain in the butt than I ever thought it was going to be. Alright you guys, so I don't know what it was. It might have been the heat. I mean, these were kind of hard to put in. A little complicated with all the wiring and stuff. I was having issues figuring things out, so I was getting very irritated and I stopped recording. I'm sorry, that was a poor choice. And next week's video I'll have a much better detail on this when I have it fully functional. As you can see, the boost gauge doesn't light up at all. It works, but I mean there's just no light. The trans temp works and the EGT works as well. Finally guys, they are glowing. I know the boost gauge does not look like it's glowing, but it is. As you can see, it's very faint. So what I'm guessing is happening here is there is a wire in here that you can tie into your headlights and stuff that dim it when you put your headlights on. And I'm guessing it's just touching metal in there. It's not going to cause anything to go bad. Obviously, it's just making this dim. Now, these are working. I know my trans temp is still high. I drove it about an hour ago. I think I need to do a flush, like big time, because the torque converter I do believe is going out, because when I throw it in reverse, the truck bogs down and stalls sometimes and just dies. So that is definitely something I need to do. And if the torque converter goes bad, how hard of a job is that, you guys? I honestly have no idea where to start. So got the gauges working. Let me explain what I did. So I pulled the power wire for these, because there's 2 power wires. There's one that is a constant power, and there's one that's a remote wire. So the remote wire obviously tells the gauges when to turn on. So key is on, they're on. Key is off, they're off. So key is on, these are on. And I'm having issues with the remote wire with the radio. The amp doesn't kick on and the subwoofer doesn't kick on anymore. So that's something I got to work on a little bit later. But got these working. I just tapped them right into the radio fuse. So that's a fuse that turns on with the truck and turns off with the truck. So I just tapped right into that and boom, gauges work. A lot of stress off my shoulders. I can just breathe. So I'm super happy about this, guys. I love these gauges. Give Glow Shift a try. The install was a little bit of a challenge, but other than that, it's been pretty good. So that's it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. 1,500 subscribers. I'm amazed, guys. This channel has grown so much in the 1 year that I've had it. I had it July 3rd, and on my birthday, it hit 1,500 subscribers. So thank you guys so much for that. That was an amazing birthday present. So with that, thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to hit that like button, share this video, and I'll see you guys in the next video.